Good morning everyone. Just as I spoke, the washing machine just started up. How typical. Right, welcome to our Saturday. I haven't vlogged in a few days and my channel's been pretty empty because unfortunately Alice is still sick. She actually got worse as the week went on and now she's like got temperature and she's just, ugh, what's that, honey? Ugh. Everything's sticky at the weekend, isn't it? Everything that's normally clean is just sticky. Yeah, but it's Saturday morning. Alice is not very well, so I'm not sure what we're going to be doing today. I would like to get to the allotment to try and put up the Polytunnel that came. Oh my god, it's so big. Let me show you it. It's insanely big. This is the box. It's in our hallway because we literally don't know where else to put it. It's huge. Listen to this. Oh my god. Yeah, so I would like to do that, but I also went to Wilkinson's and brought a load of seeds which I need to organise because some of them need to be planted now, like in February, because it's obviously February now. So I need to get planting of some stuff, especially the stuff that's going to go like in the polytunnel, like tomatoes and cucumbers and stuff need to start being planted and potted and everything because obviously they take a while to grow and I've got a polytunnel now so I can like do stuff like that. So yeah, it's very exciting. Right, the house is a complete state. I'm just going to do a bit of tidying this morning. Look at this. This is what Tommy's done this morning. He's put all of his teddies to bed. Guinea pigs are munching on some watermelon this morning. Are you happy, piggies? Yeah, and I'm going to get on with that mountain of washing up there. Tommy and I have just spent ages making loads and loads of cakes. So I made some carrot cakes. Here they are. I don't know how good they're going to be, but they look yummy. And Dave's just taking the shed apart outside, I think, or something like that. But yeah, and I've got some banana bread in the oven as well. See, we've been busy baking these. Busy baking these, haven't we, Tub? So yeah, I don't know if we're going to eat the carrot cakes, but they smell good. Sorry, you're balanced on bread right now, so if you can see bread, that's why. Oh, I have to come down here. Right, just mixing up some icing for the banana bread. Okay. Bleed neck. Yeah, I've accidentally made your shirt pink. I'm so sorry. And that one as well. Do you know why? Do you know why they went pink?
Yeah.
Daddy's flipping football socks. He sneaked them in. He sneaked them in to the washing machine. Look at that. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll buy you some new ones today. Sorry, Tom.
I just wear them.
No, you can't wear pink shirts to school, Tom.
Why?
Oh, God. Bloody football socks. Thank God there's nothing else in there of use. Right, I'll put it on a dry. Oh. Sorry, Tom.
I should have done this.
Back at the allotment, and we are just bringing our polytunnel here to put our polytunnel up today. It's so windy. Don't think it's really the right day to put a polytunnel up, but there you go. Well done for carrying it. Oh look, here they come. Gone the sneaky way.
Ha! We were the best bet.
Right, this. Tom, go round the mud, babe.
one of them scary?
Not scary. This one's scary. This one.
They haven't got a mouse.
Oh,
They haven't got a mouse.
Can you put it on there?
Let's go with it. No, 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 no.
What?
It's a big old worm.
I'm still holding him.
He needs to live in our allotment. Your one? Ah, lovely.
I'm trying to get into the
They're hiding in the compost bin.
baby!
Oh God. Right, let's compost the kids.
Dirty baby!
Let's compost the kids. Right, digging out some of the weeds. Got Dave putting up the polytunnel, much to his delight. How's it going, Dave? Yeah. Looks good.
There?
Yes.
There?
Yes.
There?
There.
There?
Yes. Right, what's going on? Did they get dug in?
Just push them down a little bit.
Look, what do you think of the tunnel? Oh, David looks so awesome. I think it's going to blow away. God! I'm going to bury it around it. That's what it says to do. It says to put earth around it.
Huh?
Earth, I assume, is dirt. Oh Jesus, you're going to blow away in a minute.
Let's have a raver.
Oh, look at it here, it's awesome! Got an actual tunnel. Can't believe it. Why is it so flat? Oh my God! Genuinely scared we're going to blow away. Oh, this is amazing!
Give me a drink, Tom.
There she is, Polytunnel. Oh, I hope she doesn't blow away. I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. So basically we got home from the allotment, which was really good fun. Everyone was really happy. But when we got back, Alice's temperature went back up again. So I spent basically the whole afternoon just looking after Ali, bless her. I think it's just one of those viruses that just keeps coming back with a vengeance. So we just put her to bed because she fell asleep on the sofa. I think she's alright. I think she's recovering. But yeah, so the polytunnel's up, and next week I will be filming lots more vlogs at the allotment and showing you, because I'm going to start planting things and putting things out in the polytunnel. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't fly away. Oh my God, imagine it's flown away. It's just gonna, oh God. Anyway, fingers crossed it's still there when I go back sometime next week. I'll see what happens with the kids, see if anyone else gets it. I've got, like, my glands have gone up now. I'm a bit of a hypochondriac though, but I feel like I might get it too, because I tend to pick up things that the kids have got. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you have a lovely weekend. I hope you had a better week than we have with sickness and everything. Yeah, and I will see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. See you later. Bye.